Gotta go, dog! Welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Yes, today is the first drive of the Audi A3, Audi A3 rep, shall I say. So we're going to test drive this car. We're going to take you out for a few highway blasts and see how this car performs. Again, it's not been checked properly, but I do know the car should be checked thoroughly. But let's not waste time, let's get straight to it and let's go for a drive. Let's go. Powerful this car is. So good, so good. The way that this car performs is that I'm actually going to get this to race the Type R, because this is definitely going to beat the Type R, which comes to show that this weight for power and the boost and everything, power to weight ratio, it's running very good, very quick. And I'm wondering, it might do even more better because it's on a stock clutch. You know, if I turn up the boost, the clutch starts slipping. So if I'm able to get a stronger clutch installed, like a diesel clutch, which Jake mentioned, because it can handle high torque, because the dual plate clutches are very expensive and I want to go as budget as possible. So if I get that single plate clutch diesel one, 1.9 TDI, and install it onto the car, I can up the boost and it'll handle the car. So it'll handle the boost pressure and it won't slip. Okay, look at the turbo on this. Sounds so loud. Wow. Whoa. It's popping. It's popping. So loud. My speedometer doesn't work, so I don't know how fast I'm going. Oh, this is absolute jokes. This is, I love it. MashaAllah, this is such a good car. Can you hear that? So loud. She wants to go as well. That's the craziest thing. Wow, so loud. And every time I let go of the gas, the exhaust pops, so it could be over boosting right now. Okay, let's get on the right lanes, bands in the way. Whoa! This car is fast! So at the moment the car is running really well. The car is so good. Before I even get the clutch installed, I want to see what power I can get as it is with the clutch not slipping. And I'm guessing it might be around 250, 260 brake horsepower. If it's more, I'll be like, no way, that's impossible. And if it's less, I'm not too bad, because I do feel like it's definitely more than about 220, 230 brake horsepower with the feel of the car. Look at that sound. The way that it builds up the sound. Spinning, boost. Whoa. Yeah, we'll do some power runs here. Drop the second. Drop it first. We'll drop it first gear. Wow. Gotta go, dog! All straight, baby! This car is fast! First, we'll drop it first gear. Wow. running so good as well. Like, honestly, I would have thought with the boost tweak the first time I did and done a few testing, like it would have been more problems, but it just looks like the car, it's never had a run for like a month or so, like 2-3 months in the compound. So I'm guessing it's starting to adjust now, the, you know, whatever the engine and the boost, the turbo and the ECU, it's you know, it's doing its business. We love this car, we do, we love it. Very sunny day today. That's 5th gear pull, that is, and it still pulls. So that turbo is not a stock turbo, it's definitely a hybrid turbo, that is. No way is it already pulling like that so easily. I want to see another car so I can see what this car is like. I don't know how fast it is in the miles per hour. Need to have a worthy challenger. Hopefully, if the weather's good tomorrow and the weekend, Sunday, we can get this to race against the Type R that we have, and maybe that might give us a bit of a idea of how fast this car is. Alright, drag race, yeah. This is the drag race light. This is. Whoa! That type Tech 3 GTR police. This car does fly. Wow, this just sounds so good. First bend in the film, the car handles so good. I actually don't know the make of the coilovers, but they seem to be doing a good job. Oh, such a nice sounding car this is. Oh, the Micro's overtaking that Ponto. I'm gonna have to do it as well. Whoa! Wow, this car is way over boosting. It's popping and all sorts, this car is. Oh, this car sounds so good. Look at that. This is sick! Yeah! Alhamdulillah, well engineered car. Well, you know, modified as well. The sound, to get that sound, maybe there's a few blocks and pipes, but it's all worth it for that sound. It's all worth it. I didn't know the car would sound like that, honestly. Like, it just sounds so good. So far it's running good, the car is, because I would have expected the car to be something breaking down or something like that, or some smoke or the temperature and all sorts, but it seems to be doing good. There he is. That's how I did it. If you guys want to know. Whoa, oh my god, there's a car in the hedge. Jeez, look at that. Wow. Anyways. Wow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to have to end it there. It is what it is, and you know, it's sick. The car is sick, and we're gonna get the boost gauge, we're gonna get the car dynoed, we're gonna see what power this car is actually pushing. We're gonna race it against a tyre part to see what car is this like to race, and if it is capable car. And that's it really. So anyway, stay tuned, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace, God bless you all.